Today, I'm going to show you the four-step AI SEO process this company followed to get this crazy amount of traffic, these tons of AI overviews, tons of backlinks. This is everything that they're doing. You can literally take this and start doing it today to get these kind of results. It's not that hard, very easy to implement. I'm going to show you the 4 steps right now. Let's go. So the first thing, step number 1, is they are doing custom templated content with variables using AI. So when I take a deeper look and you see their growth in traffic here, I mean, this is just crazy traffic growth. But when we go to the top pages, and I'm going to hide the actual website and pages, you guys can see the traffic over here because I'm not going to share these guys' website. They didn't give me permission, but this is their real website data. But all of these pages, they're getting a ton of traffic, is SEO blogs. But not only any SEO blogs. They're using variable SEO blogs. So what do I mean by that? They are basically creating new blog content for a bunch of different variables. The content itself is similar. It is, it's not exact, but it is simpler and it is similar, and they're changing out the variable for each blog post. So overall, the content is very similar, but it's going to have a different targeted variable, and it is working. This blog, 33,000, this one, 32, 29, 28, 28, 25. Just simply changing out a variable and restructuring the blog. The content is very similar, but it's important to do it this way and not just the old way. Is basically doing a piece of content, right? And then you have that variable in here, and then your content stays the exact same. And then you do a new blog article, you're going to change this variable, and the content's going to stay the exact same. That's the old way. That way it no longer works. Google is de-indexing those posts. That's considered AI slop, and it's not the way to do it. This is the new way, and as you can see, it's working really well. And Google even says, in their guide, their SEO guide for GEO, they're basically saying you need to provide a unique point of view or a unique variable and create non-commodity content that's helpful, relatable, and people first, and organizing the content that helps your readers. So all of this is taken into account in what these guys are doing and how they're doing it. So basically what they're doing is they're using this program, Arvo, that I use for myself and my clients. It's a fantastic SEO program for content, but they're basically doing templated content, template articles, variable articles. So you can set these up. I have a bunch set up here already. This one's for plumbing. Basically, you just change the service, city, and state, and it'll create a new variable article that you can create a blog article. You can also create a custom page from that. So there's one for real estate, e-commerce. So there's a bunch here. So you can easily do this. You go to article templates inside Arvo, create custom template, and basically you give it a prompt and you give it the markdown outline. Now there's a tutorial video to show you how to do this. It's not hard to do, and you can do any variables that you want, thus creating a unique original article. And this is why this works really well, because it's not the same. Not anyone can just go out and create this article. It's unique to you, your brand, in your business. So you can go in here and kind of see. Here's a couple that we did using this, using this criteria. Here's one on Florida housing statistics, right? We just changed out the variables. We added in this unique perspective, and it creates this amazing article for those variables that we put in there. And you can do this for anything. It's really, really easy to do. Here's one we did for waiving inspection, for real estate. Here's one we did for protein powders. Basically, we gave it different variables about the protein powders that we did research on. So you can do this for anything. The options are really endless, but these are the articles that are getting ranked and indexed and a lot of traffic because they are original to you and your brand. But you can set up these templates and then basically just generate as many as you want over and over and over again, just switching out the templates. And the nice thing about this is it's going to change the structure and it's going to change the information in the article. While it is similar, it's rearranging it, it's adding new elements, different elements, and this is what's working really, really well right now. Not only that, you can still use Arvo to create SEO articles targeting a specific SEO keyword. You can do news articles, you can do YouTube articles. So all of these work really well also. And you can add in your brand assets. So you can go in here for SEO articles, you can add in your own knowledge base. So this is why this works well also, because it's adding in your own knowledge, your website, case studies, training materials. So it's going to use your brand assets to create non-commodity articles. So it's using AI, but you're using AI in a smart way, giving it your actual information. You can format it, you can add your structure, you can add your sitemap. So it's going to link all your pages together. You can add your own images, or it'll create images for you. You can also link in your own YouTube channel, or it'll do a relevant YouTube channel. This works really well. There's a lot of different options to be able to do this. So that's number one that these guys are doing to get a lot of traffic. The second thing is they're using an AI agent for fixing their technical SEO. Why in the world would you ever do this manually, especially with AI? It doesn't make sense. AI, this is one of the things that AI was built for, to do those mundane, menial tasks very, very fast that just doesn't make sense for humans to do anymore. So Arvo has this built in as well. You can go over here to the site optimizer, and basically it'll analyze all of these things on your site: meta descriptions, chronological URLs, image alt text, internal links, FAQ schema, article schema. It'll tell you what you have, what you should fix, why you should fix it, and then the ability to change it right away with a couple of clicks. You can also click and change everything at once. So it's going to do all this for you. So not only it's doing it for you, it's also teaching you why it's doing it and why it recommends those changes. So this works phenomenally well to literally in a couple of clicks in a couple of minutes to fix all of your technical SEO problem areas on your website. So that's number two. Number three, use it for building backlinks. So backlinks are, let's face it, a pain in the butt to get. They're not that easy to get, but they are so valuable for building authority for your website. So you can have a built-in backlink AI agent that Arvo uses and take advantage of it. So they have this backlink, automatic backlink section. You can basically just enter your URL, get entered in the backlink pool. And there's a huge pool, right? There's thousands and thousands of users of Arvo that are entered in this pool sharing backlinks. So when you or someone else creates a piece of content, it looks at this pool, right, for external links it can include. It finds relevant high DR backlinks that apply, and it interjects them into the content as an external link. And then boom, whoever that link was gets that backlink. And vice versa. It works for people doing content and including your links. And it's all automated, 100% automated. Most users are getting 1 to 5 backlinks per day. Definitely a couple a week, and it's completely automated on autopilot. And this is awesome. So this works really well. And this is one of the things that they're doing. And you can kind of see that it is working. Look how many backlinks they have. I mean, this is ridiculous. 60,000 backlinks. Not only that, if you're using Arvo, you're going to automatically just get backlinks because people are going to start linking to your content, especially if you're using variable articles to create content. People are going to want to link to that stuff because it's going to be original and unique. So you're going to start getting natural backlinks that way, which is really cool. Finally, the last thing is LLM visibility tracking to increase brand mentions. Look at these. I mean, look at these AI overviews. I mean, and this is growing rapidly. This is just the beginning. So they're doing a really good job by tracking their visibility across the AIs and AI overviews, citations, and then basically impacting that by creating more content and tracking how their content is doing across those LLMs. And you can do the same. Arvo has that built in as well. They have an LLM brand monitor, which is really cool. So you go in here, you just submit your URL, and then it's automatically going to give you prompts related to your URL. Here's one I just did as an example for SEMrush. It gave me all of these prompts. And then for each, it'll track your visibility, give you a score, it tracks your sentiment, so you can see if it's positive or negative. Plus you can add your own prompts to track, which is really cool. But how to use this effectively is you take your low visibility prompts and then you go and you create an article targeting that prompt, right? So you're creating content and then you're going to get featured more because it's things that people are asking for, you're not showing up. So you're going to create branded, non-commodity content targeting that prompt so you can get featured more in AI overviews. And then you can continue to add new prompts, change these prompts, and just track your visibility. It's really, really important. ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, they're stealing a lot of traffic because they're taking they're basically listing out the companies and pulling the companies that are getting that traffic. So you got to be featured in those citations and those overviews. And this is the best way to track it and do it. So those are the top 4 things. If you guys are doing those, you're going to start to get more results like these guys. It is real. This is what they're doing. It's not hard, especially if you're using the right tools to be able to do this. So hopefully it helps you guys out. The link to Arvo is below to check them out. It's an amazing tool. Really one of the only tools that you're going to need to grow really fast and leverage AI and SEO in the AI age. So that's it. Hopefully that helps you out. Check out this other SEO video. I'll be back soon with some more good stuff for you guys.